episode of the Crypto Doe Show. And today we're talking about what's going on in the crypto world. Now, the last time I checked, what's going on in the crypto world is simply it's going to be another downturn. That's the way I see it. We had a nice bounce from, what was it, 16, 60,000? 60,000 was a good bounce. I'm Crypto Doe once again here to share everything I know with you guys so together we can go further than Wells Fargo. So let's check out the Fear to Greed Index. As you guys know, the Fear to Greed Index right now, we're at an 8. Extreme Fear, I think we're going to get even lower than this. Extreme Fear yesterday, last week was at 11, last month was at 41. We got as low as 45. We got as low as 45. Yearly low, as you guys can see, February 5th. 5 yearly high, we was at greed at a 76. That was just May 2026. May 2025. So let's check out the Coinbase price. Let's check out the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin price right now, we are at $67,000. We are at $67,000, as you guys could tell. Check out the graph. Let's do it for a month. For a month, we are currently at, in a month, we was at 90K. Now we're at 67K. In a month, we were at 90K. Now we're at 67K. In the year graph, I think we tapped our highs. How many? One tap, two tap, and then we got rejected. As you guys can see, we went all the way up to 125K. We went all the way up to 125K. Where is Bitcoin going from here? I have Bitcoin going down from here. Bitcoin has, and let me zoom out on the graph so you guys can see. Bitcoin right now, it hit the top and it's a second leg down. We can come down as far as right here. This is what I'm waiting on. But we already hit 60,000. What I'm really waiting on is the 50,000 mark. So basically another leg down. We can go as low as 26,000 or 40K. We can go as low as if we get in between these zones right here, I'm definitely loading a lot up on Bitcoin. Even if we hit 25K, that's definitely is a plus for Bitcoin. That's just the way I see it. Leave your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think. Now, I wanted to talk about, let's see what's going on with the news with Bitcoin. Bitcoin ETF sees 166.6 million inflows reverse weekly losses. So what does that mean? People are buying. That's what that means. People are literally buying. Institutions to me are buying while everyone else is selling. Look at the bullish mark, but I'm more bearish than bullish in this situation. I am more bearish than bullish in this situation. And the reason why I say that is because you got to look at the Epstein files. That's messing up crypto as well. That's another thing that's messing up crypto, the Epstein files. And also the Clarity Act. We haven't seen the Clarity Act in so long. Now, some people are calling it bullish for Bitcoin because in this rainbow, generally speaking, right? Let me reset the zoom. Generally speaking, in this rainbow chart, when you're at the bottom of the rainbow, you have came to a low. 9 times out of 10, when you're at the bottom of the rainbow, it's considered a low. So it can bounce from here, but at the same time, will it just bounce to actually go back down? That's just the way I see it. Bitcoin treasury holdings. Number 1, we have Strategy. Now, you guys know what's happened to MicroStrategy right now. They bought most of theirs at 73,000. Mary is number 2. 21 Capital is number 3. XXI is number 4. Metaplanet, Bitcoin Standard, Bullish Riot, Coinbase, Hut 8 Mining Company. These are just the companies that have Bitcoin on its treasury board. These are the companies that have Bitcoin on its treasury board. So they can be seeing a negative effect right now, but that's just what's on their balance sheet, right? That's simply what's on their balance sheet. I wanted to go on Epstein. Let's see Epstein and crypto. Crypto. Let's see what they have to say about that. Files case light, Jeffrey Epstein ties to cryptocurrency. This is from The Guardian. No, I'm not paying for any subscriptions. Millions of files related to Jeffrey Epstein have been brought to light. His ties to the highest echelons of the cryptocurrency industry. Documents published last week by the U.S. Department of Justice reveal Epstein bankrolled the principal home and funding source for Bitcoin. He was there, according to the files. The world's largest cryptocurrency during its nascent stages. He also invested $3 million in Coinbase. Whoa, didn't know that. The largest cryptocurrency exchange in the United States, and cut a check that same year to Blockstream. Whoa. A prominent Bitcoin-focused technology firm. Both crypto startups accepted Epstein's investment in 2016, 6 years after 2008 conviction in Florida for soliciting, basically pedo. So that's definitely affecting the market as well, because for some reason Epstein has his hands tied in everything. And this is the thing, right? This is why he may be an asset to the government. He may be an asset to the government. And maybe that's why XRP had to go through his court case, because people was willing to shut down any technology or blockchain that was better than Bitcoin. That's just how I see it. That's just how I see it. Maybe they call it the makers of the market. Maybe they didn't want a certain crypto to survive. Okay, let's read. Backing Bitcoin. Epstein's financing of Bitcoin's development stemmed from his role as a donor to Massachusetts institution, MIT. All the big players are here, ain't it? Everyone's connected to this guy for some reason. He's like another government. Over the course of 20 years, MIT accepted more than $800,000 from Epstein, who also facilitated more than $7 million in donations from other wealthy individuals. That's a lot. That is a lot. But leave your thoughts down below. I really want to know what you think about this one. Let me know how you're feeling about the market. Like I say, I believe that we have another leg down. We bounced from the $60,000 mark all the way up to $71,000. I think we'll be coming on down even lower. That's just what I see based on the chart and based on the Fibonacci. Let me know if this information helped. This actually is a celebratory time. There's no point of panicking, because what this allows you to do is actually buy. Under 50K, I'll be buying at a higher percentage. Right now, I'm just nibbling because I see it to be going lower. I don't see any news in the near future that will make crypto bounce. Maybe the Clarity Act, when that's being passed, but right now the government is dealing with a lot and they're going through a lot. So let's just take it one step at a time. This is another episode of the Crypto Dose Show. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. That's all I ask. Put on your seatbelt. It is damn near time to take off. And down below, check out my merch store as well. Check out my merch store if you want to support the channel even more. Let me know what crypto you want me to go over or do some chartings for. I am willing to do that, especially in a down market. I want to be able to help you guys in the community a lot in different ways. Put on your seatbelt. It is damn near time to